Well, President Trump will be releasing remarks and then the plan alongside with Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu in less than an hour at noontime here at the White House. And let me tell you that what's overshadowing President Trump is his impeachment trial, where the Senate is deciding whether to remove him from office or not for abuse of power under one charge. Also, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has lifted the immunity from him so he could face he could be indicted soon. He could actually be on trial soon. So you have two embittered leaders, one of the U.S. and one of Israel, releasing a plan that the Palestinians and even the Iranians have basically said it's dead on arrival. Now, President Trump has said it's the deal of the century. His senior advisor and son-in-law, Jared Kushner, is now calling it a vision. There are really very little details about this. The White House has not given us any update or any preview of the plan, but we do know that it's about 50 pages long. We do know there are maps involved. We are expecting that what will also be announced is the annexation of the West Bank, parts of it, and the illegal Israeli settlements there, as well as establishing a border alongside the Jordan Valley, along the country of Jordan, with Israel. So it does not seem like a plan that the Palestinians will welcome, although President Trump has said he thinks they will in the future. But it's very conditional for the Palestinians, according to what we've heard so far, which is little. Again, I must emphasize. It seems like they basically are holding the Palestinians to account. They want a series of conditions to be met, renouncing of violence for one. So as we know, the Palestinians, especially Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas, who's been a key peace negotiator in the past, is not picking up the phone when President Trump calls.